welcome to the video. So today we are doing the protein fluff recipe. Now I have made many recipes before in the past with using Casein, with adding banana, adding different flavors, but I'm just gonna do a baseline, lowest calorie possible recipe. So what you're gonna need is first put 10 ounces of your favorite diet soda in the freezer. I happen to like diet cream soda. It tastes really good with the vanilla flavor Casein. And then you wanna weigh out 20 grams of Casein protein powder. Now I use Optimum Nutrition. I find that that works the best when making fluff. And so after the soda has been in the freezer for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, it's gonna look like this. So it should have like a layer of ice on top of it. So you wanna get the soda as cold as possible without it actually fully freezing. So a nice little ice layer on top. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to add the soda into the Casein. And you might have to take a spoon just to kind of chop that ice down. And you're gonna throw it all inside the bowl, like so. And then you wanna mix up the Casein so that way it doesn't stick to the bottom. So that way there's liquid all over the Casein. And then we're gonna throw it on our mixer. Now, a KitchenAid works best. Those handheld mixers do work, but it doesn't really fluff up as well as a mixer does. And so after a few minutes, we have the fluff. And so basically, this whole entire massive bowl is 1 fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of protein for this entire bowl. And this will really fill you up. It's an amazing tool to use when you are dieting. And yes, this is Casein protein, but if you guys want, I can make a recipe with Pro Zero, which is a vegan protein. So I can make a vegan friendly recipe if you guys want. But yeah, this stuff is really great for dieting. And I wanted to make this one because it is the lowest calorie option that you can possibly make. Now I do make some fluffs with, like, I'll add some fruit in it. I'll add a little bit of the Jello pudding mix. There's so many different varieties and flavors that you can make. If you guys want more recipes, please leave them in the comment box below with any ideas that you want me to make. I can make them. But yeah, this stuff, it's like basically protein Cool Whip. So give it a shot, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And like always, thanks for watching.